Have you ever wondered how a microwave heats food? And why do some parts of the food get hot while others stay cold? Also, what happens to nutrients when we microwave food? And what about us? Is it true that the radiation from microwaves can cause cancer? Microwaves are a type of radiation, specifically from the electromagnetic wave spectrum, the same type used in cell phones and Wi-Fi networks. Their frequency is approximately 2.45 gigahertz. Hertz is the unit of measurement for frequency, representing the number of oscillations per second. Since giga means billions, this means that microwaves oscillate 2.45 billion times per second. These microwaves are produced and emitted inside the oven by an electronic valve called a magnetron. When the microwave is turned on, high voltage is applied to the magnetron, causing electrons to accelerate in a magnetic field. This interaction between electrons and the magnetic field generates microwaves, which are directed into the oven cavity. 2.45 gigahertz is the frequency where water, fats, and sugars efficiently absorb the microwaves, which allows for effective heating of food. But how does this vibration heat the food? Water molecules in food are polar, meaning they have a positive part and a negative part. When these molecules are exposed to changing electric fields, they tend to align with the field as it varies. This makes the water molecules jiggle and move, colliding with each other in the process. As the molecules collide, they cause friction. It's this friction that actually makes the food get hot. However, the shape and size of the food, as well as the microwave's power, also influence how long something takes to get hot. So, why doesn't your food heat evenly sometimes? Well, that's because the oven's metal walls can create a reflection pattern that leads to uneven heating. That's why your pizza can get scorching hot in one spot and ice cold in another. And that's why microwave turntables rotate. This helps distribute the heat more evenly. Additionally, it's important to cut large foods into smaller pieces and cover containers with lids to prevent water evaporation. But is it really safe to heat food using radiation? Before we get into that, here are some key statistics around just how valuable the microwave industry is. Over 90% of US households have a microwave, and the market is expected to grow at an annual rate of 3.6% from 2024 to 2032. This means the microwave market could be worth $4.5 billion by 2032, and there's no sign of slowing down as urban populations continue to grow. But the real question is, are microwaves safe, and how does the radiation affect our food? Well, since the food heats up from water molecules moving around, the cooking process happens more quickly, so vitamins like C and B, which are sensitive to heat and water, remain intact. The main issue with microwaves lies with how long you have the food in the oven. Overcooking food can still lead to the loss of certain nutrients, such as vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids, and minerals. This can cause the food to lose health benefits and reduce the quality of proteins. But it's a myth that microwaves can cause cancer. The radiation from these ovens is a form of non-ionizing radiation. This means it doesn't have enough energy to damage DNA, unlike ionizing radiation like X-rays, known for its health risks. Additionally, microwave ovens are designed with multiple safety systems that prevent exposure to dangerous levels of radiation. For example, they don't work if the door is open, which protects users from any risk. Still, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and avoid using metal containers in the microwave, as they can cause sparks and damage the appliance. If you found this helpful, YouTube thinks you'll like this video next.